Water is always level. At
This
100
is a
miles
bad
in the
conversation if you don't understand how gravity works over a giant sphere.
No. If we live on a ball that's 25,000 miles in circumference, if we do, then the water should be bending at a certain rate.
Stop with this. This is so crazy. You don't even know what that means.
I do know what that means. If it's a ball, the ocean should be curving at a certain rate, and they figured that out.
It's
perspective.
Yeah, but it's going around. Why is it going over the top, and why does it shrink at the end?
Everything. You look at the end of a street. Street lights do that.
Yeah, but it doesn't.
Street lights do that. That's called perspective.
Eddie, they do that on the hill, not on the ocean.
No, but you're looking at those electrical posts or whatever you call them, and they go down. A street light appears to be shorter than that one, and then the next one appears to be shorter. That's how you draw shit. But is it really that short? No, it's just your perspective. You're actually looking at an optical illusion. You're actually looking at, it looks like they're getting shorter.
They disappear over the horizon.
And then you could bring them back in.
But you can't. That's not true.
No, you can.
No, you can see more up to the edge of the horizon. No, but at the edge of the horizon, it goes over. They go over the edge.
So when you're talking about when with the naked eye, you're looking at a boat go in the ocean, and you see it go over the horizon.
When you use telescopes, you're just getting small enough so that you can't see it anymore.
Exactly.
But if you use a telescope, you can still see it for a little while.
Yeah.
And then it goes over the fucking curve of the Earth.
If you had a more powerful telescope, it brings it even closer.
But if you had a more powerful one,
they've already had tests. They've already done that.
But you could see England. You could look out at. You could see Hawaii.
There's too much.
You could see Hawaii. Why can't you see Hawaii? If you could see the moon, why can't you see Hawaii?
There's a lot of atmospheric...
no, it curves. The fucking thing curves.
No, if it curves, okay.
That's what the scientists say, Eddie. The ones who make the GPS, the ones who make the maps, the ones who chart the fucking paths for airplanes and shipping routes, all those people say it's round. All the people that do satellites, all the people that are involved in aerospace, all the people that are involved in anything where you have to calculate the fucking curve of the Earth and to get things to places. All those people think it. They're all wrong. That's crazy that they haven't seen that picture. They don't see that picture. If they saw that picture, they would get it.
At 100 miles in the ocean, 100 miles, how much curvature should there be? Do you know?
I don't care.
It's about 6,000 feet. Okay. It's about 6,000 feet of curvature. So you should not be able to see.
How far you can see?
No, you wouldn't be able to see 100 miles away from the ocean.
But who, Eddie? You didn't go to school for this stuff. These people that are talking to you.
Dude, I research this all the time.
I know, but you're hearing from
what
one
I'm saying
side.
Is not a lot.
But you know what I'm saying?
What I'm saying is that at 100 miles, there should be 6,000 feet of curvature. You don't even understand what that means.
I don't.
I understand what that means.
This is not your area of expertise. This is one of the reasons why I get crazy about this kind of shit.
Dude, I look into this all the time.
But just because you read something that someone says,
but I know that you can't dispute what I just said. You can't dispute what I just said.
I bet you can. I bet I didn't go to school for it, so I don't know. But I bet. But
do you understand? Do you understand? If we live on a ball at 100 feet, there should be 6,000 feet of curvature. Does that make sense to you?
So everyone's wrong, Eddie. So all these fucking people
that
are flying around Australia, they're doing it the wrong way. All these people that go over the North Pole, all that's fake.
All
those flights.
Sure, they do.
There's no flights over the North Pole?
No one ever goes over the North Pole.
So why wouldn't they go over the North Pole?
I don't know.